Okay, we can also try to remove an element from our set. So we may say my set dot remove. If let's say we are going to remove number 3 here, and if we save this and try to print it here, we see that our set remains with the 2 elements. So what happens if we try to remove an element which is not there? For example, 4 here. So if we print it here, we are going to have a key value error, a key error that we are trying to remove the element which is not inside our set. Also, to overcome this, you can use the other method which is called discard. Okay, so if we discard 4 here, let's save. So we are going to have our normal set, and we don't have again this error because the discard method doesn't print the particular error. We can also try to clear our set to make it an empty set. So we can just here we can say my set dot clear. Okay, if we clear this and save here, we expect it to have an empty set. So sure, we have an empty set here. Okay, we can also use the pop method. This will return any arbitrary value of our set. Also, it removes it. Let's do it this first. So if we say print my set dot pop, if we save this, now let's see what happens. So first it returns the element which is going to be removed, and then is going to be removed.